Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Matey and today I'll be unboxing the Air Force 1 Shadow in Pistachio Frost, giving you my thoughts and a few details about the shoe. Firstly, I love the tonal colour scheme and the mixture of materials. This is actually the first shadow to have used all these different textures, and the use of premium materials means that not only are you getting your money's worth, but also the shoe is really soft and comfortable. The quarter, toe box and heel are covered in this green suede, whereas the tip and eye stay are in a smooth pebbled leather which is white with a greenish undertone. The foxing is also in a pebbled leather but is slightly more textured and is a darker tone of green, as you can see. The excess material here reminds me of the off-white Jordan 1s and gives the shoe a deconstructed finish, which I really like. I've seen some people lace their shadows up through this panel, but I think that kind of defeats the object of it. Personally, it makes it less noticeable, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Moving on to the reflective detailing, which I didn't even realise the shoe had when I purchased them. It actually wasn't shown in pictures and it wasn't in the description either, but luckily I like it, so for me it was a nice surprise. So this panel on the inside of the shoe is reflective and runs underneath the pebbled leather around the toe. It also runs around the eye stay in the same way, but just on one side. You have another reflective panel on the heel with the modern Nike logo, and the back tab is layered over this with the vintage logo embroidered. This is my favourite detail on the shoe. I've been seeing Nike using their vintage logo a lot more recently and I'm loving it, so it's nice to see it being used on the Air Force 1. I just really like the way they've layered it over the modern logo and the reflective detailing peeping through. When looking at the shoe as a whole, you can see where the name Shadow comes from, with all the double detailing and layering. You have the double badge logo on the mesh tongue, which is so subtle because it's tonal, but again adds to the deconstructed effect. I also love the use of the leather badge here, I think that's really unique. Then you have the double swoosh, which could have been inspired by the Nike Sakai's. These are in vinyl and I like the use of the bright white to provide some contrast. Finally, you have the double air logo. I love this detail and I like that the colour of the badge matches the outsole. Continuing with the details of the sole, the Shadow has a slightly higher midsole, which gives it a lift, so it's not only great for the shorter ladies but also really on trend. And the outsole is core outed. As you can see, it's deeper than the classic Air Force 1, which makes the shoe lighter and more comfortable. To conclude, I think Air Force 1s are a wardrobe staple, so I'm glad Nike decided to elevate this classic for us. I think they did a really good job on it. I can see why the shadows have been hyped up since they dropped at the end of last year. They feel luxury, they look good on and off foot, they're eye-catching, unique and super comfortable, and I'll definitely be wearing these a lot. Also, in case you are wondering, I bought mine from Office's website. I haven't yet seen them drop on Nike's website or anywhere else, but I will link them in the description and keep an eye out for you. Anyway, that's all I have to say about the Air Force 1 Shadow Pistachio Frost. Once again, my name is Matey and this has been my first video, so I would really appreciate your feedback. I love streetwear and sneakers, so I'm aiming to post more videos similar to this. You can also check out my Instagram at MateyAffleck and my blog mateyAffleck.co.uk. Please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.